Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone from the iCloud, even if it's been longer than 30 days. Now, if you went through and deleted a text message conversation from your iPhone and you wanted to recover it from your iCloud backup or the iCloud sync, or it's been a long time, potentially even over 30 days, the first thing that I would recommend doing is walking through the steps from the easiest to the most disruptive, but the steps that will definitely get it recovered. So the easiest one is just make sure that is not in your deleted folder. To do that, tap on the filter icon at the top right, and then just hit recently deleted. You should be able to see that conversation in there. If it hasn't been, you can see this may take up to 40 days. So even if it's been longer than 30 days, you could potentially still recover it just by tapping on it and hitting the recover button and recover. Just like that, you can go back into your messages and there is that conversation that I'll be able to go back to and see all those messages. However, that's the easiest and most likely you've already thought of that. Let's walk through some more complex steps and options. So let's hop out of here and open up the settings app on your iPhone. Nope, let me go back to the very beginning here. At the very beginning, you're going to tap on your name at the very top. And then we're going to tap on iCloud where it says midway down. Now on here, you can see messages under save to iCloud. If you don't see that, just tap on see all and then tap on messages in your iCloud. This shows you if you are syncing up all of your text messages with the iCloud. You have two different ways on your iPhone and a third way with a separate device to be able to recover all of those messages from the iCloud. The first way on here is to toggle this off. You can see it says disable and download messages. Messages have not fully downloaded to this phone, and it will go through the process of downloading them all to your iPhone from the iCloud. This is really helpful if you do have a backup on iMessage on your iCloud, then essentially it will bring in all of those deleted messages. So that's the first thing I would recommend doing. The second thing I would recommend doing within here is let's tap back and back again. And still within iCloud, you can see iCloud Backup. Just tap on iCloud Backup, and you're going to look to see where it says last successful backup. In my case, it was this morning. However, if the backup was a day ago or a couple days ago or a week ago, and you had that text message at that point or that conversation, you can always restore to that text message conversation. So all you need to do to restore to this iCloud backup is to hit the back arrow to the very beginning of your settings. And then we're going to tap on General towards the bottom. And then just scroll down until you get to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on that. And then we're going to choose to erase all content and settings. This will erase everything on your iPhone back to factory default. But the nice thing is after you do erase everything, it will ask you, do you want to just recover everything and restore it from that iCloud backup? And you're just going to hit yes. So let's hit continue. I would recommend choosing this option, keep your eSIM and erase the data. And then after you've done that, again, when it prompts you and it says, do you want to restore everything from the backup? Just hit the yes button. Now, those are some options to be able to do that and recover those messages directly on your iPhone. There's one last place I want you to look. On your iPhone, let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps at the very bottom. After you've done that, let's scroll down until you find messages on this list and tap on it. And we're going to check to see if your text messages are forwarded to a different device. So let's scroll down here towards the bottom, and there's text message forwarding. In my case, I have my text messages forwarded to my MacBook Pro. This means that all of those texts will be on my MacBook Pro. I can check to see on that device, whether you have an iPad, another Mac, an iMac, a MacBook Pro, whatever you might have, or even another iPhone, you can check that device to see if those text messages are on there. Now, if either of those don't work, the last place that you can look for an iPhone backup is you can look on the computer of basically your MacBook Pro or a Windows computer. Keep in mind, sometimes those will have iPhone backups. If you do have a Mac or a Windows, you can check to see if there's an old backup of that iPhone on there. You can see you can just go to Library, Application Support, Mobile Sync, and Backup. Now, if you don't necessarily know how to go there, just Google how to find an iPhone backup on your Mac, and you'll be able to see a quick guide on how to do that. I won't necessarily walk you through those steps on this tutorial. Now, the last place that you can look, if iCloud failed you, if those iPhone backups failed you, if the recently deleted failed you, all of that failed you, you can always check with your carrier. And in my case, I have AT&T. So you can type in AT&T text logs, and you can see it says check your AT&T usage. You can download or print detailed logs of your call usage, text usage, and mobile data usage. So sometimes your carrier will keep logs of your text messages. Now, and a lot of times it'll just be, hey, this phone number texted this phone number at this time, but it won't have the actual content of that text message. However, sometimes carriers do keep the content of that text message in their logs. So you can always just reach out to your carrier, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, and ask them to basically download those logs to see if there's a record of that text message that you're trying to get on there, and you'll be able to recover it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.